Hello guys, this is Aryan and in this video I'll be sharing 10 lines essay about the apple. Number 1. Apples are a type of fruit. Number 2. Apples are juicy and crunchy. Number 3. Apples have seeds inside. Number 4. They grow on apple trees. Number 5. Some apples are sweet and some are a little sour. Number 6. We can make apple juice from them. Number 7. They come in various colors including red, green and yellow. Number 8. They are good for health. Number 9. They are a healthy snack option. Number 10. Eating apples in moderation can be part of a healthy diet. So guys, thanks for watching the video. If you liked the video, kindly subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you.